wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cookie cutter sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Create professional-looking treats with the Wilton Holiday, which comprises 18 festive characters and symbols in a variety of sizes. They come packaged in a reusable plastic bucket with an easy-to-follow cookie dough recipe on the label. These have rounded edges for kids' safety and the seams are secure. However, note that they will rust unless dried well. At number 9, the Nilpla Assorted is a colourful multi-purpose selection, with each piece double-edged for plain or fluted designs. They're ideal for creating eye-catching custom mini cakes, sandwiches, and interesting shapes for fruit salads. They're non-toxic and odorless and can be cleaned in the dishwasher, but they're not as tough as metal models. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Anne Clark 4-piece can be utilized for both baking and crafts projects with its easy-to-use heart shapes. They're manufactured in the United States from certified food-safe tin-plated American steel and make deep 1-inch cuts. These come with a recipe booklet and can be used on hot and cold foods. However, the seams could be smoother. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookie cutter sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, as the name makes abundantly clear, the Wilton ABC and 1, 2, 3 is a collection of the alphabet and numbers, along with a few symbols. The large ones are over 3 inches long, and these are perfect for Rice Krispie treats, but they can bend under strain. Moving up our list to number 6. Made from high-grade stainless steel, the Hewlison Biscuit is a sturdy, dishwasher-safe choice with pieces of varying sizes suitable for bakers. They sport arched handles for ease of use and come with a handy ring to keep them nested together for storage. They're equipped with clearly marked measurements and can cut through fondant. The sharp edges don't dull quickly. Halfway up our list at number 5. Not only are they good for baking, but you can use the colourful items in the Kazoo Mini to create endearing designs in sandwiches, fruits and vegetables, which could be ideal for parents trying to please picky eaters. These come with a money-back guarantee and are effective for cheeses as well. The plastic safety covers are BPA-free. At number 4, punch your favourite homemade or store-bought cookie dough into fun shapes using the Ninja Bread Men from Fred and Friends. These durable plastic figures are certain to bring a smile to martial arts enthusiasts in your life. The packaging is recyclable and they work well with dense dough. They offer 3 distinct poses. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Artico 4845 make a reliable addition to anyone's kitchen arsenal, whether you're a professional confectioner or just an avid home baker. They come in 3 sizes and 8 geometric shapes, all grouped together in a container for easy portability and storage. Other themes are also available and they can be used with Play-Doh too. They're thick and resilient. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookie cutter sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Wilton 101-piece is a versatile collection that includes seasonal shapes for holidays and numerous options for birthday parties, including airplanes, hearts, dinosaurs, and more. These are safe for children to use and are easy to clean. They're also good for making cake toppers. And taking the top spot on our list, the Ultra Cuisine Commercial comes with 11 round cutters in sizes ranging from 1 to 3.5 inches. Each piece is constructed from durable stainless steel that should survive years of use. They come with bonus decorating stencils and nest together neatly. They're reliably rust-proof. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cookie cutter sets, or simply click beneath this video.